Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about Hmong Riddle. I write this book, teaching the folk story of the Hmong, which I have some Hmong riddles and Hmong proverbs and Hmong folk story. See here, this is the book. And riddle is a play on language. Teach her how to think, to master our native language. When I was a child, I learned from my grandmothers. My grandmother had 4 daughters. My mother was the youngest daughter. She did not have any son. So she came to live with us when my mother got married and started her children. My mother had 8 children. I was the 3rd youngest. She was so busy she didn't have much time with me, so my grandmothers raised me and nurtured me. I spent a lot of time with her. And to me at that time, she was old. She didn't see very well. So before the evening, I would carry a bamboo pipe to the river to fetch water. I bring the water home. I warm the water and put in a bowl to wash her feet. In those days, we didn't have shoes to wear in a village in the highlands of Laos in the mid-1960s. So before we go to sleep every night, we had to wash our feet. So I will warm water and wash her feet and my feet before we get up to bed. When we are in bed, before we fall asleep, my grandmother would tell me folk story, folk song, and Hmong riddles. So this is how I learned to master the Hmong language and to develop my intellectual. So riddle is a play on word to master the language. Do you want to know some Hmong riddle? I share with you 1 or 2 today from my book, from this book here. What is the tiny little object that have point and bow end? Think about it. What is it? A tiny little object that have pointers on bow end. You have to think. Imagine what is it that we use daily, part of our life, that look like that. Any guess? Do you want to know the answer? Hmong say, me yadachi. The tiny little thing, tiny little object that have both ends on the both ends have points. You get it? What do you think it is? Tiny little object is rice. It's a little rice. Uncooked rice. Whether with husk or without husk. Now you learned something new today? Want to learn more? The second riddle that I love when I grew up, I learned from my grandmothers. What is an old man with eyes over his body? Do you lawv txhiaj? What do you think that is? An old something look like an old man, but her eyes over his body. Think of all the things we have. What do you think that is? Any guess? Anyone want to guess? You got an answer? Do you want to know what it is? What is Hmong riddles? The answer to this riddle? Yes? Okay, I tell you. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a pineapple. Pineapple, it looks very wrinkled, right? But it has eyes all over. So this is one Hmong riddle. Now today you learned 2 Hmong riddle. Congratulations. Now go share with your friend, teach your children. So everyone know. Sharpen your mind. Learn new things every day. And even you're old, you feel young. Life is fascinating when you continue to grow. Thank you for watching.